Hi, it's Andy here at FOTGA Video, and today we're taking a look at camera L brackets. If you're looking to step up your photography or videography game, this is an essential tool to consider, and it's not an expensive addition to your gear. Stay with me and I'll reveal all. First of all, what is an L bracket and what's it for? Well, it's a cheap way to add functionality and flexibility to your camera at a low cost. I picked this one up for less than €10, and it's an all metal construction and it does feel pretty strong. These nifty little tools attach directly to the Swiss Arca plate on your tripod, either horizontally or vertically, making it easy to swap between vertical and horizontal shooting without having to rely on your tripod head, as they have an Arca Swiss plate on both the horizontal and vertical part of the bracket. So no more fumbling with your tripod head or losing your composition. Unlike some camera cages, the L bracket doesn't have a part across the top which covers your hot shoe, meaning that you can continue to use your hot shoe for your flash or for your flash trigger. And don't forget that the vertical part of the L bracket isn't just for vertical shooting, it also doubles as a handy little grip, giving you a more secure hold. Plus you can attach microphones or lights in these 1/4 inch threads, maximizing your setup's potential. So if you don't want to invest your money in a specific camera cage for your model, you can get a universal L bracket, which will double as that sturdy grip for you, and also of course have your horizontal and your vertical shooting with the Swiss Arca plate. So as I said, this is a universal L bracket and it fits all cameras which have a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom. You can also get camera specific L brackets. If your L bracket is specific to your camera model, it should give you access to your battery compartment, your memory card compartment, and of course your microphone ports. So bearing that in mind, using a universal bracket means that I don't have access to my battery compartment, and I don't have a very good access here to my SD compartment. But on this particular camera, which is the Lumix S5, I do have my microphone port on the other side. This can be a bit of a pain if you're in a hurry to swap out your batteries, but to be honest, it really doesn't take more than a few seconds just to unscrew the bottom, take the plate off, take your battery out, change it, and put it back on again. As I said at the beginning of this video, this L bracket cost me less than €10. If you prioritize speed, simplicity, and flexibility, then an L bracket is the way to go. Remember that photography is fun, so practice, 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 and experiment, experiment, experiment. Let me know in the comment section down below if you use an L bracket on your camera, and if it's specific to your camera model, or if it's a universal one like this. I'll leave affiliate links in the description down below to the gear used in the making of this video, including this L bracket. As an Amazon associate, I will receive a small commission for qualifying purchases, but the price to you will remain the same, and you'll be supporting the channel, helping me to continue creating content for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more photography and videography tips and tricks. So until the next time, this is Andy at FOTGA Video signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in the next videos.